So, hey guys, today I'm going to be making a... Hey, what do you do? No! Nobody makes videos except for me and the tic-tac-tac. It's confusing. Let's get this light on to me. Yay, I'm in the spotlight. Okay, so I'm really sorry. I think I'm going to have to quit YouTube. Because this whole YouTube thing really isn't working out for me. I'm not getting enough money! Oh my gosh, what's this? Oh my god! I'm rich! I'm rich! Yes! Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh my god. We should be cleaning this up because, yeah, this is a whole lot of money. Money, money, money. Oh god. Okay, now let's just get rid of that. Okay. Great. Yeah, that's what we need. Start the video. Guess what we're making? Another unboxing video. We got a box. Box. Do you have a knife? Do the opening? No, do you have the knife? Already open. That's what I do. Oh, I see it. I don't. Looks like a mop. Okay, just open it. Nope. What is this a Bluetooth speaker? Whoa. Goes underwater. I see that. You guys see that? See that? Wait, do you have your phone? No, get your phone. Oh yeah, I do have my phone. Yeah, so we can try it out. I don't have Bluetooth. I'm joking. Wait, can you go get the knife? I have Bluetooth. Oh, no, never mind. I can take it off with my finger. Okay, let's get this open. There's also on the other side, and we might want to need this box. No, we don't. Just get the knife. You're gonna ruin the box. It's fine. You get the knife. I don't know where the knife is. It's on the desk that I put it. Ooh, gift card. What is this? Wait, is it like a 10 use? Register now. Instantly win 25 in discounts. Oh, that's pretty cool. Their instructions boring. Okay. Oh, stuff. Boring. Ooh, might not be. Pull out. Oh, it's a suction. Might not be charged. Does it come charged? Here, try turning it on. Hold down on the on. Oh!
Hypergear Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Really? Can you put in your code? That's a confusing code. Okay. Do you have any music or YouTube or anything? It's the day I died. That's the date that I put on there. What? The day I died is the date that I put on there. What are you doing? Why'd you go on some server? Because that makes sound. Is it on? Oh wait, but we have to pair it, right? Okay. Let me pause the video while I pair this up. Oh wait, can we like suction it down? Like yeah, sure. No, yeah, it's upside down. Bluetooth on. You know what it's called? Hypergear Splash. Hypergear Splash here. Hypergear Splash. Best phone ever, an iPhone 4. What phone is it? Is it an iPhone 4?
Yeah, it is an iPhone 4.
iPhone 4. Best phone ever. Didn't I give you a case?
What case are you talking
Hypergear Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Oh my gosh. It's working. I didn't even have to pause the video.
My body just jumped out of its spot. I don't even know how that thing's
I have to let them see it.
I already showed them. Oh wait, should we like put it hanging from the wall?
No.
Why not?
There you go. Okay, so we opened Subway Surf. Because that makes noise.
It does. But is my volume up?
That is your volume.
That's the ringer.
That's the ringer.
I have to wait until we go into the game and then it would up.
Oh yeah, my phone does that too. Except my phone's an Android, so it works better.
That's just where we're getting all these presents. Oh look, I found a new present. Oh, it's already opened. You're not doing it right. Let me get the money and show you how it's done. Oh my god. This is a lot of money. I don't even know.
Okay, I think I'm gonna close the Subway Surf and try something else.
I don't have anything else.
You have WhatsApp? Does that make noise?
I don't have WhatsApp.
You literally. Oh, here, you have voice memos.
How about you record something that you did?
I'm trying. Oh, there you go. Hola! Hello, guys. We are testing the Bluetooth speaker. The door's closed. Oh. No, you're closing it more.
I know.
Okay, done. Save. Press play. New recording 10. Play. Here, make it louder.
You can't.
Of course you can.
Of course I can't.
What? That's weird. Okay, let's try it again.
Wait, let's see about this.
I made it louder. I made it louder on your phone.
Hola! Hello, guys.
It might
We are
just be bad
testing
recording.
the Bluetooth speaker, the door's closed.
Wait,
That's cool.
how about let's do a new one? How about I got this, I got this, I got
Yeah,
this.
speak loudly.
Hello guys, we are testing something here to serve a kindness advice!
Hola!
Yeah! Oh yeah.
Babies! And Morris.
Save it. Done. Save. Hey. Bye.
Hello, guys. We are testing something here to serve a kindness advice. Yeah!
So, I do have
We'll
to
go
say,
upstairs. Yeah.
it's not the best
I want
wireless
to show it to
speaker.
my mommy. Anyway, wait, but I want to show you.
Wait.
I know. I want to show you
Wait,
how
where does
it's
the
done.
speaker go? It's not the best Bluetooth speaker, I have to admit. Whoa.
We'll test it.
Pack-
It's still on
This
testing.
package is magnetic. Is this still recording? I'm getting a call now. Okay, come on, let's go. I'm gonna go dismiss the call.
Wait, I want to show them how to do this.
1 second, let me dismiss the call. My phone is literally getting a call.
Oh, is it going to be on the video?
Yeah, but it's okay if my phone gets a call.
Ticket-tactors, it's fine. Come on, I'm a ticket-tactor. No, I'm not. I forgot what I am. This is how you do it. Say it in
Money, 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 money,
Oh wait, why didn't you record it?
Money!
Wait, why don't we do that again? Wait, keep
What,
it
now we
going.
have to go clean it up?
No, it's here, it's here.
money, 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 money,
Money!
money, money,
Money!
money,
Money, money, money, money, money, money, money, money, money. Okay, I paused it.
Okay, good.
See. Okay, you ready to throw?
Okay, play it.
Oh no, shoot. Oh, what? Oh. Okay, save. I did something by accident. I'm gonna throw that out. Trash. Delete.
Yeah, you could have just, you didn't have to save it. Okay, I do have to say that it's not the best audio ever, but it could work.
I'm gonna show my mother it, so.
Wait, no, don't leave. Don't leave until the end of the video.
Well, you could end the video like always.
Okay, like always. Wait, what?
Subscribe.
Wait, no. 1 second. I'm not ready to end this video, babies. Or Tic Tacs, whatever you want me to call you. Okay, now I'm ready. Okay, Tic Tacs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Because if you didn't know, it makes me a lot of money!
Testing something here to serve a kindness advice. Yeah!
Oh yeah. I like that voice. I want to do it again.
Oh, guys! How you doing? Yeah! That's
Plop.
Yay!
That's enough.
Done.
Play it.
Sorry.
Play it.
I am.
Oh, guys! How you doing? Yeah! That's Plop. Yay!
Hold it up. To the phone. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned.
Okay, guys. We are having a little delay because Aviad needed to go to the bathroom, so Yeah. Anyway, okay, guys, we are back.
Okay, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and start talks, babies.
Oh, that was cool. Who did that?
Money, babies!
So, here's a little lesson. This is what you make when you're older. Dough.
Okay, let's